This is the Bosch GLM400CL. It is an indoor-outdoor laser distance measure capable of measuring up to 400 feet. The difference between this LDM and others is that it has a camera feature and it has a much larger receiving lens so that it can be used in bright light conditions. And my experience with this tool has been very positive. I have continually checked the accuracy with my tape measure and it has been continually consistent. I do this because I've had other LDMs in the past that were not accurate. I use this tool for many specific tasks, so in between measurements for countertops, for interior door casing, it has been excellent, especially the feature where you have saved measurements that tell you. The battery life on this thing has been excellent. It has a internal battery with a micro USB charging port here, and I've charged it 3 times since I got it in June of 2019, and it just sits in my work bag until I need it. What I would like to see is a hard on-off switch, because any of these red buttons will turn on the laser distance measure. And so it's very easy for these to be pressed in a work bag or inside your pouch or in your pocket. And then you pull it out and it's been on for a while and it uses battery when it doesn't need to. A couple of features I'd like to see on this LDM. One of them is the ability to purposefully offset where the measurement is taken. So say if I have a 3¼ inch door casing with a 13/16 offset or reveal off of the jamb, I would like to be able to type that in as an offset of 3 7/16 so that I can take it, butt it up to the underside of my head jamb and be able to get the long point of my miter for my casing. And I don't have to do any extra math at the miter saw. Another feature I would like is the ability to calibrate the distance. So there is a function in here where you can calibrate the viewfinder, so there's a crosshair on the camera, and then also to be able to calibrate the tilt, so the level, which helps you to get straight measurements rather than going off. But the ability to calibrate the actual measurement, the distance, would help that if for any reason the accuracy started to drift, you could change that yourself without any problems. That is really all I have been able to think of at the moment. There are many different features that I have yet to use, such as finding the different angles by attaching it to a hard point on a tripod for consistent measuring, room square footage, room cubic footage. But as far as the LDM is concerned, it has been the best that I have used. And I think there are a lot of I think there is room for a lot of potential improvements. I don't know if there is a way that the software can be updated via computer connection, but if there is, that would exponentially increase the potential versatility of this tool.